So if you look at the steps that I showed you, this is the same as ax squared plus bx plus c. A is just the variable that goes in front of the x, so now in this case it would be an invisible 1. So if you look at step 1, you need to find two numbers whose product equals c, but sum equals b. So those two numbers in this case, we're going to put them in this position. So this time, these two numbers would be 4. The sum of 4 equals 8, and the product of it equals 16. And these numbers inside of the steps would be named n and m. So that would be a basic problem. But then if we look at a medium problem, we would have the same formula. But with a different variable. So a this time would equal a 3, for example. Plus this 6x plus 9. So this time you would have to put in 3x into one of the parentheses. And this time, it's the same thing. You just have to make sure that when you boil it out, it will equal the same formula. And in this case, it's the same thing. The product of 3 and 3 equals 9. And if you sum it, it equals 6. So that would be a medium problem. For the next one, we would have for this instance, we have a number that is prime, so you can't factor it out. But there's going to be occasions where you have numbers that do need to factor out. So now we're going to do the spicy problems. It begins with the same formula. But this time it's going to be a different case. So when a is bigger than 1, bigger than 1, and has factors, and we're going to call these factors w and z. And we're going to make the formula 6x squared plus 31x plus 18. So last time, it's going to be the same structure as last time. This time, we have to fill in the factors. So the factors of 6 would be 3 and 2. And this is what this is going to be called, W and Z. If you looked at the cheat sheet, that's what it represents, the factors. So 3 and 2. And just like last time, and just like in the other ones, these are going to be N and M. So let's make it backwards so it's more easy. So for N and M, I'm going to fill 2 and 9. And now, to check this, you have to do the process of FOIL. So let's rewrite the problem. 3x plus 12, 2x plus 9. So first you go to the that side, you have to multiply these. So 3 times 2x would be 6x squared. And then 3x times 9 would be 27x. Now you do 2. 2 times 2x would be 4x. 2 times 9 would be 18. And now you sum them all together. So ending up with 6x squared plus 31x plus 18. So it's correct. It's the same as this. And you're done.